Hi! If you don't know me yet, my name is Ingrida and welcome to my channel. So I do beauty, makeup reviews, tutorials, tips and tricks, vlogs and way much more. So this video, you probably noticed my eyes are missing a little bit of makeup because today I'm gonna show you how to create liner out of any eyeshadow that you own. This is super easy, that's not a rocket science. If you follow my channel, you've seen me doing this before and you probably already know it, but as I said, this is super easy, probably gonna be the fastest video ever. So I think without any further ado, we should start this. So I think I'm gonna use a Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions palette. And first, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna warm up my eye a little bit before creating a wing liner because my eyes are hooded and I need a little bit of a definition to my eye, if that makes any sense. So I'm just gonna take this light brown color in here and go higher than my creases just to create a little bit of definition to my eye so it's not that hooded. So going just a little bit higher than my hoods are. So before applying any eyeliner, doesn't matter if it's like an eyeliner or the eyeshadow eyeliner like we're gonna do now, always prep your eye before. So or use concealer and then set with a setting powder or the eyeshadow primer, whatever you prefer, just to prep your eye so that's gonna stay on your eyes like all day long. So next thing I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna use this light color in here and go all over my mobile lid. By the way, I'm using brand new Real Techniques brushes. I reviewed this in my previous video, so I'm gonna link this in here so you guys can check it out. Okay, very lightly, and I'm just gonna come back to this light brown color and go a little bit on my lower lash line on the outer corners and drag to the middle just to define the eye slightly bit before we're gonna start with the eyeliner. As my eyeliner color, I really want to go today with this orangey one, but you can use any eyeshadow palette because I was thinking maybe today even to use this Makeup Revolution Flawless 4 palette. You can use any palette you wish, any color you wish. It's no limits in there. It works with everything. So what I'm gonna do next, I am taking the dense eyeliner brush. I really like this one by Real Techniques 202. You can take any other eyeliner brush you prefer. And the most important part, what you need to do with this brush is spray it with a makeup setting spray or even just wet it if you want to, but I would highly recommend to spray it with a makeup setting spray because this can hold your created eyeliner longer rather than the water. So I'm just gonna use this one by NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. So our brush is wet, that's all we needed. So because it's wet, it's gonna pick up the eyeshadow and it will be easy to pack it as a liner. What I'm doing next, so the brush is already wet, so I am just taking some color on the tip of my brush. If you guys can see. So first thing what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna draw the actual wing. And later I'm just gonna add the line. So always look down because my eyes are hooded. Always look down when I draw the wing, so then there's no funny lines or anything. This brush is like a dream to use, honestly guys, couldn't recommend this more. I already got this line, so now I open my eyes wide so I can connect all the dots. It's like dot to dot, super easy. Draw this like a triangle thing and just connecting to the edge where my lashes starts. And wing is already complete, as you can tell. And now I'm just gonna draw the line through the top of my lashes. So first what I do, I go very close to the lash line and later I'm gonna thicken this up slightly bit. Just going closer to the inner corner. So as I mentioned, this is like honestly the fastest and the easiest makeup tip or trick you could ever learn to use any eyeshadow as your eyeliner. So I think I'll add a little bit more as, you know, why not? We're just trying this out, right? So I'm gonna add a little bit more color on the wing basically. And I think I'm gonna just go with a little bit darker brown, this one in here. And by the way, if you guys are worried that this makeup trick gonna ruin your eyeshadows, I tried this so many times and I did this, used this trick so many times and my eyeshadows are perfectly fine. So at first, as you can see, it gets a little bit darker because it gets wet and then it's just gonna dry off and your eyeshadow will be like back to normal, so don't worry about that guys. So once again, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wet the brush. I'm just gonna use the same one because we're just going for darker colors, so there's no problem there. And gonna go on the wing basically as I want it to be a little bit of an ombre effect. And we are done. As easy as that. And actually this is easier to apply than the actual eyeliner because it's a powder, and yeah, so much easier. So next thing what I'm gonna do, you guys can just apply some mascara and you're done, but I'm currently obsessed with the Huda Beauty lashes in Noel. So I'm just gonna apply these and I'm gonna get back to you. And as easy and fast as this, we are done, guys. As I told you, this is super easy makeup tip, how to create your own eyeliner out of any eyeshadow you own. Give it a go, guys. If you tried this, leave a comment down below. Let me know if you're liking it or not. And I really hope you find this quick tutorial helpful. If so, don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. And I can't wait to share more videos with you guys, and I'll see you very soon. So thank you so much for watching, and bye. Ciao.